Hey there! Do you feel overwhelmed, or are you questioning whether or not you're doing enough for your child with autism? Today, I want to remind you of something truly powerful. You are enough. As parents of children with disabilities, we often face unique challenges that makes us feel inadequate. But let's pause for a moment. You have the heart, the love, and the determination to help your child in their journey. Remember, being enough doesn't mean you have to do it alone. It's perfectly okay to seek guidance. Every parent needs tools and resources to thrive. This is true for parenting, marriages, homeschooling, you name it. I am constantly learning, looking for mentors and experts. So for you, whether it is connecting with professionals, finding supportive communities, accessing helpful materials, asking for help is not a sign of weakness. It's a step towards empowerment. Learning the right strategies can make a world of a difference. From understanding sensory needs to effective communication techniques, you have the power to equip yourself with the knowledge that will transform your parenting experience. Is it going to make it perfect? No. Can it be much better? Yes. So embrace your journey. Know that you can learn and grow alongside your child. You are their greatest advocate. So by prioritizing your own growth, you're setting a beautiful example for them. Remember, you're not alone. You are enough. You have everything it takes to be the parent that your child needs. I want you to do two things. Number one, if this resonates with you, share with another parent who might need a reminder today. You've got this. Let's lift each other up. Number two, I want you to look in the mirror and say to yourself, I am enough. Do this every day. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the bell so you can get my latest videos. I'll see you next time.